Today I'm going to show you a look using this Wet n Wild palette here. It's called Rose in the Air, and I think it's a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. I've already done my foundation and eyebrows. Now I just gotta, which I should have did this off camera too. So I'm gonna do this and I'll be right back. I went ahead and primed my eyelids and set them. So I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. Also, this palette shows you the transition colors. It says right on there. And then on the back of it, it shows you like what numbers and where to put them. But I'm not gonna go by that. So, alright, I'm gonna take this same gross looking, dirty looking, cheap but good Wet n Wild fluffy brush. I'm gonna take this cool brown here, and I'm going to put that, probably zoom you in again. Okay. And I'm going to put that right above my crease.
Bear with me.
Okay. And this is obviously gonna be my transition shade. Just take that in your above your crease, I think. Like, yeah. I'm just gonna shut up. It's just so that it'll all blend together.
Actually, I'm gonna take that a little bit down here too.
Alright, now I'm going to take a little bit of, I'm going to go in with this blending brush. It's from It Cosmetics. Let me see. Blending crease brush. That's that. It's a little smaller than the other one. And I'm going to go in with this shade here, orangish shade, and I'm going to put it right on my outer corner here. I'm going to pat it.
I'm just gonna let you know now, I'm not the best at eyeshadow or anything else. So yeah, just bear with me here.
Alright, and then I'm going to take that in my inner corner too. Just gonna pat it on. And I'm kind of going from outer to inner and in the crease. And this palette, I forgot to say, this is at Walmart. I'm sure it's at all the other drugstores. This right here is like $4.90 something. I'm not sure how this is looking on camera, so. All right, then I'm gonna take this brush here. I don't know what it's called, but it's from Morphe. And it looks like this. It's all dirty. And I'm going to take this dark brown here. And I'm gonna just pack that right there so it deepens it up on the inner and outer corner. Alrighty, I don't know what this is. I didn't even use black. Alright, now I'll wipe that brush off. I'm gonna take some of this white here, or creamish, and I'm just going to go over, I feel like I need to zoom out a little, right over this, just make sure it's blended out. Since I'm doing a halo eye, I'm gonna put some concealer here. And this part does not have to be perfect, because you can clean it up with some eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go in with this color here. And I'm gonna put that right here. And I'm gonna get some of this color here. I'm just gonna actually, I'm not taking that brush. I'm gonna take this brush here And it's an e.l.f. brush. Contour brush. I don't use it for contour. Let's take that little bit of that brown here. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on now.
Alright, I got my wings on now, and I'm going to pop on some.
Alrighty, I put my eyelashes on, and this is the look.
I'm telling you right now, I'm really not the best. I'm getting better. This is it. Really don't know how good it looks. Yeah, so Drew called me right when I was putting on my mascara, which is kind of good because I did not need to put that on right now.
I'm gonna go do the rest of my face, and then I will be back.
This is my finished face. Yep. Don't you love it? Just kidding, be back.
I just wanted to pop back on here and do my under eye thingies. Oh wow, I should have done that earlier. Alright. Now you can see it. Yeah, I'm really not the best.
Just don't judge me.
Okay. I'm gonna do my under eyes.
This is probably way too zoomed in. You can see probably all my imperfections. Oh well.
I just took this shade here, this transition shade, and now I'm gonna take some of this red here.
And now I'm gonna finish my face. BRB.
Okay. This is the finished look. Look at that highlight though. My under eyes crease all the time, so.
I don't know what I'm doing. Just kinda, you know.
I hope you liked it. It's really not that good, but I tried. I thought it was really easy to blend. If it looks bad, it's because of me. So don't blame it on this. I think it's pretty good, especially for $5. And you get 10 shades for $5. I think it's awesome. Yeah, if it doesn't look that good, it's good for me. I hope you liked it.
She did give it a thumbs up.
Anyways, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
I will be posting a lot more better stuff.
Not just stupid stuff. I hope you liked my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I didn't mean to take this. Ghost. I didn't mean to take this, but I guess I can take it and show you my eyes. Okay, bye.
Alright, as you can see, I got curtains. I got curtains. I really like my highlight.
When I was close up earlier, don't judge me. I need help. I'm dumb. Look at that highlight, bro.
Sorry, the subscribe song got stuck in my head from Laura Lee.
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe! Anyways, I'm feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself. Look how big my nostrils can get. Yeah, those are freaking huge.
Okay. Bye.
This palette. Sorry. Okay. I'm gonna post. Anyways. Okay. I'm getting really dumb. I'm dumb. Okay.
Actually, no, I don't know why I just did that. Why? Alright, I got my eyeliner on now, and now I'm gonna pop him some. Yeah, cute. Really freaking cute, Natalie. Just bear with my honey. Okay.
Just wanted to pop. That was really, really